In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unsubscribe from Adobe Acrobat. Navigating the world of subscriptions can sometimes feel like a daunting task, but I'm here to guide you through the process step by step to ensure a smooth experience. Whether you're not using the software as much as you thought, or you're just trying to cut back on expenses, I'll help you cancel your subscription in just a few simple steps. First, you'll want to head over to the Adobe homepage. Once you're there, look for your profile icon, which is usually located in the upper right corner of the web page. Go ahead and click on that. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, you'll want to select the option labeled My Plan. This is where you'll find all the details of your current Adobe subscription. Once you've opened the My Plan section, you'll notice a button that says Manage Plan. Clicking on this will take you to a page with more detailed information about your subscription. This is a crucial step because it's where you'll find the option to cancel. Now, if your account is currently on a free trial, or you've decided that a paid subscription is no longer suitable for you, you'll see a link or button that says Cancel Your Free Trial or Cancel Your Plan. The wording might vary slightly depending on whether you're on a free trial or an existing paid plan, but the action is essentially the same. This is the point where Adobe might ask for feedback or reasons for your cancellation, purely to improve their service or to potentially offer you a better deal. So feel free to provide any feedback if prompted. Once you've confirmed that you'd like to proceed with the cancellation, Adobe may take you through another confirmation step, just to ensure that this is what you really want to do. Follow through with the prompts, double-checking each page to make sure your cancellation is processed. And there you have it. Canceling your Adobe Acrobat subscription is that straightforward. Remember to check your email for a cancellation confirmation from Adobe, just to ensure everything went through correctly. If you miss receiving an email, it might be a good idea to contact Adobe support to verify your cancellation. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope this video has made unsubscribing from Adobe Acrobat a lot easier for you. If you found this guide helpful, please consider liking or subscribing for more insightful tech tutorials. See you next time.